Hi guys, so we're inside East Legon. Here we fixed 16 cameras for this beautiful apartment. It's actually an office, so we did our cameras. All cameras support audio, and then also color division, meaning that any conversation on site, the client is able to hear wherever he is and what. And then at night, when there's low light, the camera is able to record with the lights that gives the colored light vision. Very, very clean installation. Very, very excited to show you the final work. So we're going to show you the cameras, and then we'll show you the final work on the screen. Okay, let's go.